Which stability ball is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, ProBody Pilates Yoga Ball. Let's kick things off with the ProBody Pilates Yoga Ball. Priced at $19.95, this one caught my eye because of its versatility and solid reviews, boasting a 4.5-star rating from over 2,700 people. If you want a reliable all-rounder for workouts, pregnancy, or physical therapy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ProBody ball is made from non-toxic PVC and can hold up to 330 pounds, so it's safe for various activities. It's anti-burst and slip-resistant, meaning you can focus on your workout without worrying about a sudden pop. Plus, it includes an inflation pump and exercise instructions, making it super user-friendly for both beginners and pros. Now, some people complain that the ball takes a bit of time to inflate fully. Here's the thing though, most inflatable products need some time to get to the right firmness, and I think that's a minor inconvenience for what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-purpose stability ball for exercise and therapy at an affordable price. Skip this one if you're looking for something specialized for advanced workouts. Given its features, it's a solid value for money. Now, if the need for a pump and extra setup time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Trideer Yoga Ball. Next up is the Trideer Yoga Ball, priced at just $16.13. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from 45,000 reviews, it's hard to ignore this one. If you need stability and comfort in your workouts or even while sitting, you'll want to hear more. What makes this ball stand out is its anti-slip stripes and textured surface that provide grip, ensuring you stay stable during your workouts. It can hold up to 330 pounds, and the burst-resistant design means it won't let you down. The quick inflation pump and various size options make it adaptable for different users. Here's why this matters for you. The added grip means fewer slips during workouts, especially if you're someone who sweats easily. Now, some users mention that it can lose shape slightly over time. But honestly, for the price and the volume of positive feedback, this isn't a deal breaker, just make sure to maintain it properly. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable ball for yoga, Pilates, or even as an office chair replacement. Skip this if you prefer a larger variety of colors or designs. Considering its solid features and affordability, it's a great buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for pregnancy and active sitting. Product number 3, Trideer Stability Ball. Now let's talk about another strong contender from Trideer, their Stability Ball, priced at $18.99. It boasts a 4.6-star rating from nearly 5,800 reviews, making it a popular choice. If you're looking to improve your balance and core strength, this one deserves your attention. It's also highly versatile, allowing you to use it for a variety of workouts or even as a chair for better posture. Here's why this matters for you. Its soft colors and design make it perfect for daily home use without looking out of place. Now, some people found that it can be a bit too firm for their liking. Here's the thing though, while you can adjust inflation, a firmer ball can actually help with stability and core engagement during exercises. This is perfect for you if you want a ball that doubles as a chair to improve your posture and comfort while working from home. Skip this one if you prefer a softer ball for gentle exercises. Given its durability and versatility, it's a strong investment. Now, if you're looking for something smaller and more portable, our next option might just hit the spot. Product number 4, THERABND Exercise Ball. Next, we have the THERABND Exercise and Stability Ball, priced at $29.26. With a solid 4.6-star rating from around 3,600 reviews, it's a professional-grade option. If you're serious about improving your fitness, this one's worth checking out. The slow-deflate feature adds extra safety, so you won't experience a sudden pop mid-workout. Here's why this matters for you. It's built for balance and support, ideal for a range of exercises from yoga to Pilates. Now, some users found it a bit large for their space. But honestly, if you're serious about your workouts, investing in a slightly larger ball can enhance stability and control. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable, professional-grade ball that can handle intense workouts. Skip this if you have limited space for equipment. Given its quality construction, it's worth the price for serious fitness enthusiasts. Finally, if you're after something more compact, the next product will definitely catch your eye. Product number 5, Trideer 9-inch Pilates Ball. Last on our list is the Trideer 9-inch Pilates Ball, retailing at just $8.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, this little ball packs a punch. If you need something small for improving stability and core strength, this might be your new go-to. It's made from a soft, low-odor PVC, and its anti-burst design means it'll stay inflated safely. Here's why this matters for you. Its small size makes it easy to store and transport, making it perfect for those on the go. Now, some users mentioned it can feel a bit too small for certain exercises. But honestly, it's designed for targeted muscle groups, so if you're looking for core engagement, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a compact ball that's easy to use for workouts or rehab. Skip this if you need something larger for more extensive core workouts. At this price point, it's an incredible value for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine. So we've reviewed 5 fantastic stability balls, each with its unique features and benefits. Whether you're looking for versatility, durability, or something compact, there's something here for everyone. Choose what fits your needs best, and you'll be on your way to a more active and balanced lifestyle.